Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
Many people haven't tried shad, but it's a wonderfully flavorful fish, especially available during the spring season. It's truly a special, seasonal delicacy. While it has a reputation for being bony, don't let that deter you. With the right approach, cooking it at home can be very straightforward and incredibly rewarding. Once you have your beautiful shad, preparation is key. The easiest route is to ask your fishmonger for boneless fillets. They are experts at deboning this tricky fish. If you're working with a whole shad, careful filleting is essential. Some traditional methods also involve deeply scoring the fillets, which helps to soften or dissolve those fine bones right into the flesh as it cooks. Now, for the cooking, pan frying is a popular choice, giving the skin a delightful crispness while keeping the inside tender. Simply use a little oil or butter in a hot pan. Baking or broiling are also excellent options, especially if you want to infuse your shad with herbs or citrus. Remember to cook it until it flakes easily, typically around 5 to 10 minutes, depending on the thickness. Shad has a rich, distinctive flavor that stands up well to bold seasonings. Bright, acidic elements like a squeeze of fresh lemon juice or a splash of white wine vinegar truly enhance its taste. Fresh herbs, perhaps dill or chives, also make a perfect pairing. Serve your cooked shad with simple, fresh vegetables, maybe some roasted asparagus or a light green salad to let the fish shine. So there you have it, cooking shad is a culinary adventure worth taking. Don't let the bones intimidate you. With a little preparation, you'll discover a truly delicious and unique seasonal fish. Enjoy that rich, buttery flavor. It's a wonderful taste of spring and a meal you'll definitely want to repeat. We hope you feel confident to try cooking this special fish at home and truly savor it.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.